Hey guys, I am Urpita Roy, a first year medical student, and in this video we are going to talk about the first year MBBS essentials. The most important question, do you need to buy a stethoscope or not? Every first years have this question that do I absolutely need an iPad? Now last segment is something that people rarely talks about, but these are the things that are very small and minute but makes your life मच स्मूदर. बहुत ऐसा देखा है कि मैंने बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है रूममेट के साथ कि a clear cut answer to that would be no. So you just entered MBBS, a huge congratulations on that. In this video I will solve all of your confusions about is it necessary or is it just a waste of money. Spoiler, you do not need 52 highlighters. I mean, unless you're planning to start a stationery shop. I'll break down all the essentials for first years that you actually need, including books, survival guides, or iPad, laptop, and basically the things I wish someone told me so I wouldn't waste my money on this useless junk. So segment 1 includes books. So segment 1, books. I have already made a very detailed video on all the MBBS books you need or you do not need, so I suggest you to check this out. So instead, in this video, I'll cover the books you do not need to waste your money on. You know, a lot of people have Grey's Anatomy fantasy for some reason. Do not go for Grey's Anatomy unless you are planning to do MD on MBBS itself. It's a pretty unnecessary book. And now comes physiology. Wait. Yeah, this is the famous Guyton and Hall everyone talks about. Well, it's a great book, no doubt. But the question is, will you study it? Will you be able to finish it? So, it's an expensive book. It costed me around almost 1600 rupees. I mean, this is an unpopular or popular opinion, but you would fail your exams if you study from this book only as a primary source. So is this a necessity or just looks good? I would say this is not a necessity. If you want to buy it to add it to your book collection, then it's great. But do not buy it as your primary book. Go for Devashish Pramanik, or Semilingam is also a great book. It's lengthy but it's great. Or A.K. Jain or something like that. Now comes to biochemistry. Well, are you really going to buy biochemistry books? I mean, ideally you should buy books, but are you really going to study from books? Biochemistry, especially biochemistry. Last में ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि तुम बस जाम्बुलकर से ही पढ़ रहे हो. See, this is an insider's secret, but I would suggest you to go to college, spend a month there, and then think about whether to buy a biochemistry book or not. And if you do decide to buy, in that case, you can go for either Satyanarayan or what's that famous book in biochemistry? I can't remember the name. I'll probably add a picture somewhere here. So I would like to conclude the book segment by saying one very essential thing, that is atlas. Definitely buy an atlas. It will be very helpful for you. It might cost you a little bit. In that case, you can go for second hand. Now in segment 2, stationery. Now a lot of people think that they need 50 different colors of pens, but do you really? I mean, ask yourself. You will only need a black pen, a blue pen, and that's about it. And one thing is that you are going to need H&E pencil for your histology diagrams. So the problem with H&E pencils is that they break very easily and they are a bit on the costlier side. 2 pencils comes around for 150. So this is secret money saving tips. You can go for color pencil instead. Like a lot of my friends, including me, have done it. So these are the color pencils that I'm talking about. This is the purple color and this is the pink color. So either you can go for an H&E pencil, or if you want to save money, you can go for color pencil. I have survived my whole first year by these 2 pencils, so there's not any problem with that. Second thing, highlighters. Well, I do have highlighters. It's really a personal choice. If you are thinking about making aesthetic pretty notes, there's nothing wrong with that. You can go for highlighters. Or if you are someone who prefers minimalist things, you can just stick with the basic blue and black pencil. And yeah, that's about it. Now in the stationery part, I would like to include the other medical stuffs, that things that you need. The most important question, do you need to buy a stethoscope or not? Well, a clear-cut answer to that would be no. You do not need to buy a stethoscope in the first year itself. This is a stethoscope, we got it from college itself, and in my whole first year I have probably used it like 0 times. You can buy it to just get the feel, but it's not unnecessary. A lot of colleges do provide stethoscope in their white coat ceremony. Second thing is dissection kit. Do you need dissection kit? Now I'm gonna tell you reality here. See, dissecting a cadaver is not in the curriculum of MBBS itself. So it is not required for you to go there and dissect the cadaver yourself. The professors will do it for you. Now there are some students who are very interested, I would say, but this is not a part of your syllabus. No questions whatsoever will be asked from how you dissect thorax or lower limb. So yeah, dissection kit is not an absolute essential. Professors will tell you to buy dissection kits, but yeah, in the first year you do not need to buy dissection kit. And if you are still want to buy it, then I would suggest you to make a group and buy it with 3 or 4 people sharing. Now the last 2 most important things in the first year that you will absolutely need is a lab coat or white coat or apron. Now see, a lot of colleges provide white coat and stethoscope in their white coat ceremony, and a lot of colleges don't. So that really depends on the college, but regardless of that, you can buy a lab coat. Now this is a white coat I bought myself, and I also got one from college, which was XXL size. But yeah, I bought a full sleeve because of, if fashion is not the main priority for you, then do go for half sleeves. Those are much more practical in the summer, which is like 80% of Indian weather. Now the next important thing is bone set. So this is femur, the longest bone in human body. Can you guess which femur is this? Right or left? Write in the comment section. So yeah, bone set is something that you will need, and mostly students buy it on share. Like मैंने खुद 3 लोगों के साथ share करके ये लिया था, and I suggest you to do the same. Now bone set comes in 2 different types. Okay, one is unilateral, that is only one side including skull obviously, and bilateral, which would include the both sides. Bone set prices differs from college to college. Our bone set was bilateral, and it costed us around 24,000. So yeah, you can see this is expensive. So it is better to go for shares. Now you may be wondering कि शेयर में लेंगे तो पढ़ाई कैसे करेंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. कोई पूरा साल हर दिन बोन सेट नहीं पढ़ता है. ऐसा कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है शेयर में लेने से कि तुम्हें पढ़ाई का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. डेफिनेटली यू विल मैनेज. If you can afford and if you want to just own your own bone set, you can go for it. There's no harm in that. If you can afford it, go for it. Now segment 3 includes gadget. Every first years have this question that, do I absolutely need an iPad? Like, will I not survive without an iPad in med school? The answer is you will be fine even without an iPad in medical college. But it does get very convenient if you do have. Now personally मेरे पास लैपटॉप था पहले से, तो मैंने iPad नहीं लिया था जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में आई थी. एंड जस्ट रिसेंटली a month ago I bought a tab. See, it's not an absolute necessary. You do not need a tab, especially if you have books. You will not need them. But कहाँ पे ये काम आता है कि like कोई तुम रेफरेंस बुक पढ़ रहे हो तो उसका PDF जब तुम पढ़ते हो उसमें टैब बहुत काम आ जाता है. बट वन थिंग कि अगर तुम्हारे पास टैब या लैपटॉप कुछ नहीं है, देन डेफिनेटली बाय बुक्स. ना मेरे पास लैपटॉप था तो मैंने कोई बुक नहीं लिया था. Now what if you already have laptop? Do you need to buy a tab? Absolutely not. If you आई मीन मैं लिया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम भी लो, मुझे थोड़ा ज़रूरत था, वो तुम्हारे नीड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। देखो मेन पर्पस टैब और लैपटॉप ये सब का क्या है कि तुम पीडीएफ पढ़ोगे, अगर तुम्हारे पास टैब है तो तुम नोट करोगे, बट रेयरली पीपल टेक नोट्स ऑन। आई पर्सनली डू नॉट लाइक राइटिंग ऑन टैब। आई मीन कुछ चीज़ों के लिए जैसे बस क्विक नोट्स ले लिया, दैट्स डिफरेंट, बट मेनली मेरा जो पूरा नोट्स है वो ऐप मतलब पेन एंड पेपर है, फिजिकल है। तो आई थिंक most of my friends also have physical notes themselves। ये सब बस बोलने की बात होता है कि नोट लिखेंगे नोट लिखेंगे, बट कोई नोट उतना लिखता है नहीं। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि टैब एब्सोल्युटली यूजलेस है, बहुत काम आता है। इफ़ यू कैन अफोर्ड इट एब्सोल्युटली गो फॉर इट, इफ़ यू कांट डोंट बी इन अ फोमो, you would be absolutely fine। Second thing is a headphone, like the Bluetooth ones। क्या होता है कि oftentimes in the class you will find yourself leaning towards watching video lectures or doing other creative stuffs so in that case ऐसा एक ब्लूटूथ हेडफोन बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा काम आ जाता है। So go for anything, any range. Yeah, these will make your life much more smoother. Go for it. Second gadget is, I would say, a study lamp। The thing is कि most of the medical colleges probably will not provide you with a single room in first year, and बहुत ऐसा देखा है कि मैंने बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है रूममेट के साथ कि किसी मतलब टाइमिंग सबका पढ़ने का अलग अलग होता है, कोई रात में पढ़ता है, कोई सुबह उठ के पढ़ता है। तो ऐसे टाइम पे वो लाइट ऑन लाइट ऑफ का बहुत थोड़ा दिक्कत हो जाता है। तो ऐसे में एक स्टडी लैम्प बहुत ज़्यादा काम आता है। नाउ लास्ट सेगमेंट इज समथिंग दैट पीपल रेयरली टॉक्स अबाउट, बट दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आर वेरी स्मॉल एंड माइन्यूट बट मेक्स योर लाइफ much smoother। One thing is water bottle। A thermal water bottle will save you from the scorching hot weather। Buy a good quality thermo steel water bottle which have 24 hours or 18 hours hot and cold feature। That will be literally a lifesaver for you। The second thing is comfortable shoes that rarely people talks about। Like let's face it, college life में तुम 8 to 5 और 4 तुम कॉलेज में रहोगे, क्लासेस में रहोगे, एंड यू विल हैव टू वेयर शूज, एंड dissection hall, practical hall all requires you to wear shoes। So a comfortable shoe is something that you should really consider। The next thing is this mini fans like these। I bought it from a local market with like 200 rupees or something, but these fans will be a lifesaver in dissection hall because dissection hall will not be air conditioned and you will have an apron on top of that so you can understand। Next thing is mask and gloves, these are necessary। And yes, lastly, outfits for college। Guys, please go for something cotton, lightweight, breathable fabric outfit। Like if you are buying shirts or trousers or kurtis, go for cotton, breathable fabric। Even though lecture halls are mostly air conditioned, but still you are going to spend a good 5 to 7 hours of your daytime wearing those clothes। So go for something comfortable, especially cotton, because Indian summer is, it's brutal। And yeah, I think I have covered most of these। So yeah, don't get tricked into buying the entire Amazon stationery section। Start small, survive, and then add things as you actually need them। Trust me, your wallet will thank you। And if you are someone who is already in MBBS, tell me what your actual essentials are in the comments so that it can be helpful for our juniors। So that was it for today, guys। I will make an hostel essential video for you very soon, so we will meet। Bye bye।